Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rao_KE. Today I'm going to show you how to make some home remedies for cough. And this is what I'm going to use: some seeds from the loguart plants, pears, and rock sugar. For this remedy, I only need some bit of rock sugar, and I need 2 pears, and a scoop or 2 scoops of the seeds from the loguart plant. These seeds I bought them online, and I found that they are used so much here with people when they have a cough. So I also decided to try to use it and make my own remedy. So let's do it. Kindly consider watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel. I also take this opportunity to thank all those who keep watching my channels. Some say the videos are a bit boring, but I know I'm just trying to be a content creator. I believe through your support, by commenting on my videos, it can help me to grow. I really appreciate your comments, and I appreciate your likes and even watching my videos. Thank you so much for those who have been supporting me, and I continue praying that more will come. Kindly stay tuned. Let's make the remedy together. It might work for you one day when you have a cough or some sore throat, because I've been having this, and this is why you can hear my voice is actually not so clear. I hope this will work for you when you try it. You can get pears of any size. Some pears are big, some are small. Mine are not that big, but they will work for me. So stay tuned. Rao_KE. Now there's water is ready. It's already boiled for 15 minutes. It's time to serve it so that I can keep it ready for use. And I'm going to serve it in a kettle. Then this kettle can keep it warm for a longer time. So it will stay there, and whoever wants to drink can just get a share and drink. It has a very good smell. I wish you could share the smell. And you can also try this at home. So guys, this is what I wanted to make today. Just a simple remedy. You can try this at home. Good for yourself and for your kids. Place it on the stool or on the table. Whoever wants to try can grab a glass and just serve themselves. Thank you guys for watching. Rao_KE. Please consider subscribing, share, and like my videos. See you in the next one. Bye. This drink can go for the whole day, because just drink like half a glass or 1 glass at a time and give it time. You don't drink like continuously, because it's sugar you're drinking, so you just control how much you drink. But now I'm going to serve it here so that we can keep it warm in this kettle for the rest of the day. This is enough for me and my daughter, because she's also coughing a bit. So this will work for us for today. Instead of drinking soda, we will be drinking this the whole day. If we need more, we can make some more as well. Give it a try, guys. It's a very good remedy. Natural resources apart from the sugar, which is actually a bit but it's not processed sugar. It's rock sugar, is not processed sugar. That's what I hear. I don't know if I'm wrong. Kindly write on the comment section. I think rock sugar is not processed, so it's kind of good quality of sugar for human consumption without any cause of alarm. So I'm just serving my drink in the kettle. Then I'll keep it covered, place it on the table. Whoever wants to drink can come and just drink. That's how I serve it. This kettle can keep it warm for more than 4 to 5 hours. So here is my drink. I'll serve my portion and leave the rest there for the others to come and get later. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly consider subscribing. If you have any comment, write it in the comment section. Any questions? And let's continue supporting each other. Thank you so much. Bye.